If you use Outlook in the browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, adding Grammarly is actually very simple. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole process step by step. We'll cover how to install Grammarly, turn it on, and make sure it works properly inside Outlook Web so you can write clearer emails with confidence. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, it's important to know that this method is for Outlook Web, which includes Outlook.com and Office 365 in your browser. If you're using the desktop version of Outlook, the setup is different, but for browser users, this is the easiest way to go. To begin, open the browser you normally use for Outlook, such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. Next, go to your browser's extension store. If you're using Chrome, that means the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Grammarly and look for the official Grammarly extension. Make sure you choose the correct one from Grammarly and not a random third-party add-on. Once you find it, click Add to Browser or the equivalent install button for your browser. Your browser may ask you to confirm the permissions. This is normal because Grammarly needs access to check your writing as you type. Review the prompt, then confirm the installation. After that, wait a few seconds for the extension to finish adding to your browser. Now look at the top right of your browser window and find the Grammarly extension icon. If you don't see it right away, click the extensions menu and pin Grammarly so it stays visible in your toolbar. This makes it easier to turn on and manage later. Open the Grammarly extension and make sure it is toggled on. If it appears disabled, switch it on so it can start working in your email editor. Now that Grammarly is installed and enabled, open Outlook Web in a new tab or refresh the page if it was already open. Sign in to your Outlook account if needed, then click New Message or Compose to create a new email. Once the message window opens, start typing normally. You should see the Grammarly icon appear in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. As you write, Grammarly will automatically check your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and clarity. If it finds an issue, you can click the suggestion and apply the fix right away. This is especially helpful if you send a lot of professional emails because it can help you avoid small mistakes and make your writing sound more polished. If you don't see the Grammarly icon inside Outlook, don't worry. The first thing to check is whether the extension is actually turned on in your browser. Then make sure you are using Outlook Web in a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari. If needed, refresh the page or close and reopen the browser. In most cases, that will make the Grammarly widget appear correctly. One more quick tip: if you use multiple browser profiles or accounts, make sure Grammarly is installed in the same browser profile where you open Outlook. Otherwise, the extension may be active in one profile but not in the one you're using for email. And that's it. You've now added Grammarly to Outlook email in your browser, and you're ready to write with better grammar and fewer mistakes. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.